Hello, Karen Conrad Metcalf here. Here's my question for you today. What if fear isn't something you fight, but something you replace? Wow, after everything I walked through, fear literally tried to take over my life. I thought I had to fight it, but God showed me something so simple and so powerful. Fear is a lie. And if it's a lie, it has no truth. And if it has no truth, it has no authority. The word of God tells us in 2 Timothy 1:7, God has not given us a spirit of fear. So instead of fighting fear, I started replacing it, replacing thoughts with truth, replacing lies with his word. What you agree with is what has power in your life. So when fear shows up, do not entertain it, replace it, because fear is not your future. God's truth is.